When we laid out this kitchen prior to start with the customer, things were a lot different than where they're going to be going forward. We can move our different gas lines around, plumbing lines, electrical. So here, in this little area right here, just a little room closet set up for the customer. And then we have a little countertop, and then we have our nice big range right here. We have a 36-inch range with a hood you can kind of see up above. And as we start coming around here, we have just some more cabinets, some fun features of pulling things out. And then of course the window and the sink right here. We were able to be very creative in design, and we were working with 10-foot ceilings here. And we're taking these cabinets all the way to the top. We have our refrigerator going in right here, the cabinets going all the way to the ceilings. So this is eventually be their new TV and art wall over here. And here we have just a base cabinet with some nice big drawers for good storage.